Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. So in today's video, we will discuss the three topics. Okay, the most asking topics, that is the on-grid system, off-grid system, and the hybrid system. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss the each topic basic requirements. Okay, then we will discuss the off-grid system, then we will discuss the on-grid, then we will discuss the hybrid, and at the end I will give my suggestion that which type of system uh, is good for your home, either that is off-grid, on-grid, or the hybrid system. Okay, so let's discuss the important points of the each topic. Okay, so if you want to install solars in your home, okay, yeah, if you have any questions, okay, if solar system is already installed in your home, and if there is some problems, okay, you are facing, so you can ask suggestion by contacting on this number. Okay, so the concerned person will answer you over there. Okay. First of all, let's discuss the off-grid solar system. Okay, the important points of the off-grid solar system. Okay. So the first point is that it cannot synchronize with the utility grid. Okay. This is the first point. Okay. You can't synchronize this off-grid solar system with the utility grid because these are designed to work alone. Okay. The second point is that it cannot feed power derived from solar or battery into the utility grid. Okay, that is the second point. The third point is that it mostly used for small load. Okay, small load like 5 kVA system, you can use it for the off-grid system. Okay, up to 5 kVA system, you can use the off-grid solar system. Okay. The fifth point is that the net metering not installed for off-grid solar system. Okay. Net metering, you can't install net metering. The fifth point is that you can start this system instantly after its installation, unlike the on-grid system. Okay, on-grid system you can't on it instantly. Okay, after their installation, but for off-grid solar system, you can on it instantly after its installation. Okay. So these are the important points. These five are the important points for related to off-grid solar system. Okay, so if you want to install off-grid solar system, you will need to keep all these 5 points in your mind. Okay, and based on these 5 points, you will be able to make a decision for your home. Okay. Now let's move toward the on-grid solar system. So the for on-grid solar system, the first point is that it have low cost. Okay, the cost of this system is lower. The second point is that the net metering can install over here. Okay, you can install the net metering over here. Okay, the third point is that it will not work under load shedding. Keep in mind. Okay, it will not work under load shedding. It will also off during load shedding. Okay, so that is the third point. The fourth point is that you can't run instantly after its installation because net metering, like if you on it after its installation without net metering, then the bill you will get that will be double. Okay, why double? Because in net metering, like the green meter, if electricity come in this direction, then it will add the units. But if electricity come in this direction, then it will subtract the units. Okay, if this is your home and this is the outside area. Okay, so if electricity come from your home, then it will subtract units. Green meter, I am talking about the green meter. And if electricity come into the house, then it will add units. Okay, but for normal meters, okay, if you on it on normal meters, okay, which is already installed in your home, so if electricity come in this direction, then it will add units. If electricity come in this direction, it will also add its units. So the bill which will come, that will be double of your last month. Okay, so you should be very careful. Once you install net metering, once you install green meter, then you will need to on your on-grid solar system. Okay, that is the fourth point. The fifth point is that it have the low maintenance. Okay, maintenance of this system is very low because there is no batteries involved. So that's why it will have a low maintenance cost. Okay. The sixth point is that if you want to lower your bill, okay, and if there is no load shedding in your area, then this system is the ideal system for your home. Okay. Then you should install the on-grid solar system. Okay. That is the sixth point. Now the last topic, that is the hybrid solar system. Let's also discuss the important points of the hybrid solar system. Like hybrid solar system can feed back power to the utility. Okay, this is the one point. So the second point is that if your solar system is not efficient to run your load, then the hybrid system can draw power from the grid system. Okay. This is the second point. The third point is that storage batteries are involved in this system. So, like if there is a load shedding, then there will be like your home will be facilitated by light, okay, because of the batteries involved in this system. The fourth point is that its initial installation cost is higher than the on-grid solar system, okay, because the batteries involved in the system, so that's why that will increase its installation cost. The fifth point is that the net metering also work in this system. Okay, like you can install the net metering for this system. The sixth point is that you can start it instantly after its installation. Okay, if net metering green meter is not installed over here, then you can uh, on it instantly. Okay, because the excess electricity, the excess generating units will go into its battery. Okay, that will store in batteries. Okay. The second seventh point is that under load shedding, net metering that will not work in this system. Okay, that will get off, but you will get power from the batteries. Okay, the eighth important point in this system is that, and due to this point, we instructed our customer to not install this system, and that is the high maintenance cost. Okay, its maintenance will cost you a lot. Okay, high maintenance cost. Okay. So these are the important points related to hybrid solar system. So now you will be able to choose which system is best for your home. Okay. Simply, I will summarize it like if there is no utility in your areas, then the off-grid system is the best. If you want to lower your bill, but there is no load shedding, then the on-grid system is the best. If there is a load shedding, then the hybrid solar system is the best. Okay. This is also the YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, these two are my YouTube channels. Okay, in this channel, I am uploading my daily life videos. Okay, and for this, I am uploading the technical videos. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.